Suez Canal Authority is a state-owned authority which owns, operates and maintains the Suez Canal. It was set up by Egypt to replace the Suez Canal Company in the 1950s, which resulted in the Suez Crisis. After the UN intervened, the two invading countries were forced to withdraw. SCA is an independent authority having legal personality. SCA was established by the Nationalization Act signed on 26 July 1956 by the Egyptian President Gamal Abdel Nasser. The act at the same time nationalized the Suez Canal Company and transferred all its assets and employees to the SCA established by this act. The head office is located in Ismailia. In Port Said, the administration building of the earlier Suez Canal Company is used. Its board of directors comprises 14 persons, including the chairman and managing director. Since nationalization. Before nationalization, the owner was the Suez Canal Company. SCA owns the Suez Canal and all areas, buildings and equipment pertaining thereto. SCA issues the rules of navigation, fixes the tolls for the use of the canal and collects them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.